Alright, straight to the point, no chit chat talk. 2 fingers. 3 fingers. 4 fingers. Switching between apps. Also, I set up mine to adjust the volume up and down with 4 fingers, as you can see on the top left corner. Alright, so now let's get to how to install this thing. And I'll put the link down below. Alright, so you want to find the latest release. For me, it happened to be 3.805, and we want to download the drivers and unzip the file and open up the driver. And over here, oh, let me just try to focus. Over here, you want to find the type that says setup information. Just want to right click on that and install. Open. Click yes. And that's it. It should be on your settings now. Alright, over here, just like this. Alright, so I set up mine to medium sensitivity. I check all the boxes over here. And the scrolling direction. The 3 finger gestures, you have several options to choose from. The same as the 4 fingers. I set up mine to custom. And yeah, that's it. And if you happen to not like it, you can install it through the device manager. And you want to go to where is that? Human interface devices. Click on Apple Precision Touchpad device. Right click on that and then press uninstall device. Alright, that's it.